Alright, we're back at National Car Rental on a Friday late in the afternoon. Premier selection, we've got a 7 Series, couple 7 Series BMWs, and maybe an Audi. What would that be, like a Q7, Q8? Probably a Q... I'll check later in a bit. Thanks again for watching, and just a quick reminder, click on the subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that like button if you want to see more of these videos. And we'll start off here with the RAV4 with the, looks like this one has a blackout trim. Let me just quickly, maybe nothing out of the ordinary. Yeah, the XLE trim. We got an Escape SEL beside it here. Toyota Camry, a couple of them here. Got a Toyota RAV4, Grand Cherokee, Jeep Grand Cherokee, Ford Escape. Actually, a bunch of these RAV4s are, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if a bunch of these are new. They got so many here. We got a Ford Edge. This one's got just over 1,000 miles on it. Got another Grand Cherokee. We got a Toyota Camry. Got a lot of RAV4s today. Hyundai Sonata. Ooh, this one's a little banged up on the front end there. Nissan Maxima. RAV4. If you're looking for a RAV4, today's your day. And we got another Ford Edge. We'll just turn around, go around the other side here. And we got another Grand Cherokee here. We got a Mini Cooper. This one's got about 20,000 miles on it. Chevy Malibu. Honda Civic. Another Ford Edge. That Ford Edge is titanium, brand new trim. We got a BMW X2, about 5,000 miles. Toyota Camry, another Ford Edge.
Walk to Mia Rental Car Center, RCC.
Another, I'm not sure if you can hear my navigation talking there, another Ford Edge. We got a Dodge Charger. And you don't see this very often. We got a Lincoln Nautilus. I'll quickly show you the interior on this one. This one's got about 24,000 miles on it. Actually 25,000 miles. Quick look in the back here. I think it's just a two-row. Yeah, we got another of these BMW X2s here. And yet another RAV4. Actually, why don't I pop in and just check the mileage on this? There's so many of them here. I wonder if... well, this one doesn't really look new. Oh, fairly new. Okay, so we got 1,600 miles on this. And that wraps up the executive aisle. I think an emerald aisle. There's, just quickly run over here. There's really only one car over here. And it's... Honda, and oh, it looks like they just pulled over another Nautilus. Maybe somebody's taken that, and we've got a BMW and a VW. I think that's an X3, or sorry, a 3 Series. Okay, we're over in the reserve. We got a Jeep Grand Cherokee L. We got one of these larger Infinities. An Audi SUV, Q3, Q4. Dodge Hemi RT Durango. We got a Mustang convertible EcoBoost. We got another Grand Cherokee L. This one looks like a limited. Just a quick peek in here. Yeah, this one's a limited. And we got a Chrysler Pacifica. If I can squeeze through here. And we got another Chrysler Pacifica coming in. And a Chevy Traverse. Chrysler Pacifica minivan, another minivan, another minivan. And it looks like guessing a 2 or a 5, sorry, a 3 or a 5 Series BMW. And another of these cheap Grand Cherokees. Yeah, this one's another, I think this is another of the L. Let me take a look here. You can see the back seat in here with the tinted windows. Okay, so it doesn't have, it's a limited, okay, so maybe, is this one, I guess this one's not an L. Ah, okay, it's not an L. It's the flag beside the name I thought was an L. Okay, so there's a Grand Cherokee, not the L. We got another minivan, and we got a really large Ford SUV. And we got a Lexus and Lincoln Nautilus here to wrap things out. Okay, and if we do a quick update from Alamo Specialty here, we got Cadillac. This might be XT5s, 2 of them. And I haven't seen these Volvos around for a while, but the S60. Guessing most of them are on the road. And we got a V6 Chevy Camaro. And I don't know if I've seen too many of these with Alamo National Enterprise, but we got these Volvo. I think these are XC40s. Yeah. Huh. XC40 T5. And here's another one with a dealer sticker on it. And just over on the other side, we got a Ford Explorer and another Cadillac SUV Specialty. And I'll just kind of quickly walk over. You can kind of see some of the convertibles here. Again, it's late on a Friday. And not too much else to show you. The Alamo does have other cars, but nothing else in particular. You can check my earlier videos for a little bit more detail in some of the specialty sections with the different categories. All right, we'll do a quick update here from Enterprise Exotics. An SL 450 Mercedes convertible. And, oh, this is interesting. Okay, so Maserati. I don't think I've seen a 2-door. There's always something interesting. 2-door convertible. Looks very nice. Okay, so it's Maserati. You guys might have to help me out figuring out what the model is on this here. And we have a Jaguar convertible. Another Mercedes hardtop convertible. Of these Maseratis. I think this one was in the last video. And we got the Lamborghinis at the end here with the SUV and the convertible. And I asked about the convertible here, and it's about $1,700 a day, and there's probably mileage restrictions on it as well. So over on the other side, we got a Range Rover, Porsche SUV, and a couple of BMWs here. And I think that's probably going to be it for today's quick update here. Again, Friday, late in the afternoon. Yeah, we got another of these Maseratis here, and a 7 Series. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and if you want to see more of these videos, hit that like button. See you in the next one.